Hello everyone, my name is Anna Montemurno and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my food plan, the keto food plan that I'm going to share with you. But I want you to know that there's an app you can get for free called the Nutrition Info app. And you can use it on your smartphone or any of your other devices. And it really comes in handy when you want to check carbs and you want to check calories, just to get an idea. It's really a smart app to have. And also, I encourage you to get, if you don't already have, a little carb gram counter pocketbook. They're located all over on the internet, so you should be able to get one of those relatively inexpensive. So please be advised that anything that's mentioned in here in terms of when I share my food plan with you are proteins or all the items that were indicated in my simple keto food list. That was 2 videos back. So you want to look at that to get the ideas of what those specific foods are. So let's get into it. This food plan is a 3-0-1 food plan, which means 3 meals a day, no snacks, 0, and 1 day at a time. And it's very easy keto to follow. 4 to 5, you'll have your meals spaced out 4 to 5 hours initially. And if you're a coffee drinker, I encourage you to stick with just no more than 3 cups per day. And if you like cream in your coffee, you can have a tablespoon for each cup, which would be in the form of light cream. In the other video, I forgot to mention that, so I'm including it on this video. But please weigh and measure. And by the way, if this is your first time doing keto, and even if it's not, you'll definitely want to get your lab work done by your medical provider and get checked out prior to doing this or any other nutrition plan. So moving into the actual food plan itself is very simple. For breakfast, you're looking at, or what I have is 4 ounces of protein as a woman, but for men, I encourage 6 ounces of protein for men, or 2 eggs for women. For men, it would be 3 eggs. They get a little bit more because they're biologically larger, they have more muscle mass and more skeleton. They have more to feed. And then half of an avocado, and then 1 ounce of macadamia nuts or nuts. You look at the list referred to in my simple keto food list in the other video that I have out. And then, of course, make sure you have plenty of water, at least 4 to 6 glasses per day. And also, you want to know, initially when you start keto, it's very advisable to have at least a half a teaspoon of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt, because what's going to happen is when you're doing this, your body's going to release a lot of electrolytes initially because you're getting rid of the carbs that are stored in your body, and you're going to deplete a lot of your sodium and electrolytes. So you're going to want to have that salt every day. I know it's not something you're used to hearing, but it will help you. Then moving into lunch, we're having a super salad, which means 5 to 7 cups of mixed greens in the form of baby greens, green or red leaf lettuce, or butter leaf lettuce. You can mix it all around. 5 to 7 cups. And I love having a super salad. It works for me. And then 2 or 3 cherry tomatoes cut up. And you want to be careful with tomatoes because they have a lot of carbs in them. So we want to limit them. Then a half a cucumber cut up. I also add 5 olives, pickles, but make sure they're not the sweet type because those have too many carbs in there and it will throw your whole setup off. Then moving into the protein, for women, we have 4 ounces of protein, and for men, 6 ounces. Make sure you weigh and measure because eyeballing it, it's not advisable. Then moving into nuts, half ounce of nuts on the salad. Make sure you weigh them because they have a significant nutrient profile, but they're very calorie dense. So you want to be very careful with that. And of course, 4 ounces of protein for women, 6 ounces for men, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic. Try to get the balsamic with the least carbs, because there's a variance in all the different types and the carbs that are there. But also for men, you have 2 tablespoons of olive oil with your salad and 1 tablespoon of balsamic. And mix it up, enjoy it. Then 2 strawberries sliced up in the salad, and 1 cup of cooked vegetables. And you could cook the vegetables with a little butter. Make it savory, but be careful. You want to limit we're limiting fats. We're not overeating anything. We're trying to stay within a safe and healthy food plan. Now, you're going to be so shocked to hear this, but dinner is the same as lunch. Now, you can mix it up if you want. And when you go and look at the Simple Keto Food List video, in the description there, you'll have all the lists of all the vegetables. And I highly encourage you to look at the list of cruciferous vegetables. I think I might have gave you 12 or 10, but there's a lot. So you'll be happy and pleasantly surprised to know that there's a lot more there available. But what I would encourage you to do is get friendly with your local produce store and make it a plan to go at least once a week to stock up on all these vegetables, because they're gonna come in handy. And vegetables are your best friend. And if you don't like vegetables, I encourage you to start learning to like them, because they're gonna help you in a lot of ways. They're filling, they're nutrient dense, and they're delicious. So what else could you ask for? If you've gotten some value out of this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put another video up. Thanks for checking in. Love you guys. Over and out. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video.